In this session, we're going to be speaking about French stops. Now this is a ferrule, which is a tube with an interior thread, and the screw that goes with this ferrule. And this is a pair of eyeglasses that has, obviously, one arm that is open way too far in order to be worn effectively. In the early 1900s, two French companies developed a technique for inserting a ferrule like this in their eyeglass frames and providing it so that the arêtes, as they were called, could be adjusted so that the arm itself would go farther in or farther out based on the position of the screws in what was called the blank shut face of the hinge. The way in which this is done is to take the blank shut face, remove the arm from the frame, and to drill into the center at a depth and a width that will receive the ferrule. There's our opening, there's our ferrule, which we'll be cleaning out. And then we'll be inserting the screw. There are not any companies at this time, as far as we're aware, still supplying French stops with their new frames, but it is a technique that can be retrofit to frames that have what is called too much splay, where the arms open up too wide. The goal is to get the arms to stop with an interior 90-degree angle like that. And let's see what happens once we install this ferrule and install the screw. Okay, so here we are back again with our French stop installed. There it is right in the end of the temple arm, right there on what's called the blind shut face. And now, having adjusted it as we have, so that it emerges about, I would say about 0.4 millimeter out of the flank. When we open the arms now, as you can see, the sides are equal with an interior arm angle that makes the frame useful and wearable again. Should the temple arm itself or the frame continue to warp as it ages, we'll be able to go in and screw this screw in or out in order to provide for proper fit and proper wear. Those are French stops.